Good morning. It's Tuesday, March 5th, 2024, and it is a gorgeous day today. Close to 70 degrees out here. And yeah, it's been beautiful weather the last 2 or 3 days, up in the 70s. I'm loving it. Let's go see if we can find some birds. Let's go. Over here, some chickadees. There are a lot of frogs in here. I know there's a pond or something right over in there. I was over here when it was really had a lot of snow on the ground and it was iced over. There's Bays Mountain way off in the distance. Got a jumbo jet airliner up here. I'm guessing that's a red-tailed hawk up there flying around. See if he gets any closer so I can get a good picture of him. There's a pretty bluebird sitting right over here. I'm guessing it's probably an eastern bluebird, but I don't know, it just looks a little different. Looks a little longer than an eastern bluebird. From this distance with the naked eye, it really doesn't look like the shape of the eastern bluebird. Maybe it's something else, but maybe it's just an eastern bluebird. I don't know. There was a deer over here in all this brush. Saw his white tail as he was running away. A lot of swampy marshlands over here. Hear a lot of frogs. There's a sparrow right there. There's an old wiffle ball. I don't know what's doing out here. Maybe somebody was throwing it to their dog or something. This would not be a good place to play wiffle ball. Over here is the main big pond over here. Hear more frogs over in here. Signs of a beaver right here. They went quiet on me. There's an old road here. Goes right up to the Reedy Creek here. Comes out on the other side there. That's Discount Tire there. on East Stone Drive. There's a turtle right there under that log. Saw him swimming in that water. He's right under that log, right about in there somewhere. Looks like his head's right there looking out at me. There he is, coming up for some air. Right up here is the Greenbelt Trail, cutting right through there. We'll walk up here, get right on the Greenbelt. And we'll back out at the Greenbelt here. That'll do it for this one. I'll catch you on the next one. Roger, over and out. Man, King of Mind, Body, and Circumstance by James Allen. Forward. The problem of life consists in learning how to live. It is like the problem of addition or subtraction to the schoolboy. When mastered, all difficulty disappears, and the problem has vanished. All the problems of life, whether they be social, political, or religious, subsist in ignorance and wrong living. As they are solved in the heart of each individual, they will be solved in the mass of men. Humanity at present is in the painful stage of learning. It is confronted with the difficulties of its own ignorance. As men learn to live rightly, learn to direct their forces and use their functions and faculties by the light of wisdom, the sum of life will be correctly done, and its mastery will put an end to all the problems of evil. To the wise, all such problems have ceased. James Allen. Chapter 1. The Inner World of Thoughts. Man is the maker of happiness and misery. Further, he is the creator and perpetuator of his own happiness and misery. These things are not externally imposed. They are internal conditions. Their cause is neither deity nor devil nor circumstance, but thought. They are the effects of deeds, and deeds are the visible side of thoughts. Fixed attitudes of mind determine courses of conduct, and from courses of conduct come those reactions called happiness and unhappiness. This being so, it follows that to alter the reactive condition, one must alter the active thought. To exchange misery for happiness, it is necessary to reverse the fixed attitude of mind and habitual course of conduct, which is the cause of misery, and the reversed effect will appear in the mind and life. A man has no power to be happy while thinking and acting selfishly. He cannot be unhappy while thinking and acting unselfishly. Wheresoever the cause is, there the effect will appear. Man cannot abrogate effects, but he can alter causes. He can purify his nature. He can remold his character. There is great power in self-conquest. There is great joy in transforming oneself. Each man is circumscribed by his own thoughts, but he can gradually extend their circle. He can enlarge and elevate his mental sphere. He can leave the low and reach up to the high. He can refrain from harboring thoughts that are dark and hateful, and can cherish thoughts that are bright and beautiful. As he does, he will pass into a higher sphere of power and beauty, will become conscious of a more complete and perfect world.